Hi there, this is Fabian with YData, and today I bring you YData's Fabric Data Catalog that can be used by data teams to connect to their organization data assets with scalable connectors that can range from RDBMSs to cloud storage and transform data into actionable data quality insights. So let me show you around. Here I'm in my demo project. I have some data sets already created in my catalog, but to do so, I had to first create the connector. The creation of the connector is very simple. I just need to select the data storage that I want, input the credentials, and I'm good to go. Each and every connector can be reused several times. In this case, for example, I have two data sources that were read from the same exact connection. Um, my favorite part is definitely the automated data profiling, where I can right away understand the quality of my data, and I can have right away some very useful insights on actionable items that I might want to put in my list as a data scientist working the data set. For in this case, I can see right away that I have some imbalanced problems with variables such as senior citizens or dependents, but I also have some missing cells, and some duplicate rows. This might be important while analyzing the events and while developing, of course, um, my data to be used for the classification problem, for example. But of course, the warnings and all the actionable items that I need are also very detailed in our warning section. You can see that I have some variables with high imbalancement. This is highly important, especially if we are dealing with a problem of classification, for instance. But the analysis does not end here. Of course, as a data scientist, I know that while I'm exploring my data, I need to have a thorough detail on how each and every variable works that goes beyond the pandas described. And that's what you can see here in the section where we analyze categorical, numerical variables, booleans, and even date times, and time series data variables as well. You can have a pretty detailed understanding of your data, as you can see, but not only univariate analysis is important, so we also included interactions, where you can have a good understanding on how numerical variables related with each other, correlations, where we deeply analyze different relations between the different variables, such as numerical to numerical, numerical to categorical, and categorical to categorical. And last but not least, missing values, where you do a thorough validation of how the missingness of your data is behaving. And we provide you not only the counts, a matrix related with the missingness, but also a heat map where you can perhaps analyze whether your data has missing at random or missing net at random. But as in any good data science project, don't want only to connect to the data assets and have an automated data profiling, but I also want to be able to further explore in a friendly environment my data set. And that's exactly what you can do in YData Fabric, where you can, in a click of a button and with a simple copy, have your data set able and ready to be used inside our labs, which is where we provide our flexible and code environment with Jupyter Labs, VS Code, or H2O Flow. I hope you have enjoyed. Thank you.